Hello and welcome to Vimma. Today we are going to do the printing with the stamps and with the schabloons. Feel free to improvise because the schabloons are all around you. You need material like colors for the textile. You use the normal printing, like you need to find the silhouette. You need the plastic where you can cut it. For the schabloons, you can use this sticky paper that you can also stick to the fabric. You need the stamps. You can improvise. You can use, for example, this Lego. You can use anything that you find in your house, like some kind of trash that you don't need anymore. Remember to put the carton inside if you're doing the bag, because we want to protect the other side of the bag. So let's take these colors for fabric. Dry, you should iron it for 2 minutes. But if you have two sides, both sides you have to iron 2 minutes. Hey, one more thing. If you are downloading the picture from the internet, pay attention and try to change something. Add something on your picture or erase something. That way it becomes your own and you don't have to worry about the copyrights.